Okay, hello, hi. This is Rani Ahmed with you, and in this video, I'm going to show you the correct way of using the shared preferences. Now, you can see what I'm talking about in this space on this number, okay, on this link, and just to see it to show you the wrong way and to show you the correct way, okay. Now, and also in my code, I'm going to run it. It's part of my application called Astrophysics, okay, in action. And I have a variable which is a member variable of the class called SharedPreferences. Okay, I'm saving the SharedPreferences in Astrophysics free or whatever the app is, okay. And there's a dialog box that I'm going to show, okay, just to tell the user, just please don't hesitate to contact the developer, which is I am, okay. I'm that developers, and also the problem is that when I want to write to the shared preferences, so and edit it, okay. Now, of course, Android will create us a shared preferences file for every application if you want to make it for every application, and you use it like to put all your settings inside that app, so all the users choices and options are set through this shared preferences to get back to it anytime he wants. Now, you would expect, like, from your own habit, okay, that you sometimes do something like a string variable like hello, for example, let's say, okay, and you can, for example, say replace, okay, like E, then with R, okay, and then maybe another replace, okay, with L, the L's with Z's, okay, and so on and so on and so on, okay. Something like that in many functions that you can use in Java and many methods, okay. So this will work, and it will replace in the string variable or whatever else, generally the variables here, and the E and with the R and the L with the Z, okay, it will replace them. And I think many of you are used to this habit, okay, in Java. However, if I use the shared preferences like this, just to say if there's no shared preferences called show, or shared preference, one preference called show, you should show this message to ask the user or the customer to contact me, okay. And then if he presses the never show this message again, okay, it should be saving it, and you should be expecting that share preferences.edit.put string. Of course, you're putting the string, and you must in Android share preferences.edit.commit. You have to commit it, okay. So if you don't put the commit, it will not write that preference, okay. But from reading this code alone, like as is, even if you run it and for the first time, you should expect that this should be saving the code, saving, I mean, the yes to show, okay. And let's run it to show you that you should be expecting it to save it. And this is the emulator running. This is my app here. You see the app running here. Like from the first glimpse, you think that it should save it, okay. So okay, well, the okay button is just the pass, okay, let go, okay, I don't care, okay, I want to keep this message going on. Now, thanks, it will, as you should expect, that it should save it. So I want to quit, okay, because this is just at the beginning of the beginning or the startup activity of the app, okay, and or startup page of the app. And here you come back, you said, but you want to save it as no thanks, never show, and it still shows up, okay. And here again one time, okay, just to make sure that you understood that it will keep going back, okay, keep coming back, I mean. Okay, so this does not suit us. Okay, so the correct way is to use those lines. Okay, Control C and command those lines because those lines are wrong. Okay, save this and let me uninstall the app because I want to make sure that by myself using command line that it removes the preferences if there are. And although there isn't, I know, but just for us to make sure that everything is working. So I removed the app. C is getting installed. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna press and click the thanks, never show this message again. Okay, and press like this, quitting the app. I go back. And voila, it's gone. So, and here again, just to make sure that you understood for the next time, I mean for a second time. Okay, like I did in the first time. It's gone, gone. Okay, gone forever. So unless you want to uninstall the app and you know, you see it one more time. So this is how you put it correctly. Now, what's happening here? Why it's going like so? Okay, and this is what I want. Okay, to show you the reasoning. Okay, the proof of this is that the edit function here. Okay, if you use it in this method, the first method, let me uncomment those lines, although they are wrong. Just for us to see them. This way, if you say SharedPreferences.edit, okay, you'll create an editor for object, but that editor object will flash. It will live and die in the same second, the same moment. Okay, you want like as if you cannot use it to put string show with a keyword show. I mean, for that preference name show, put that value named yes. Okay, where like a map show to yes. This is what's going on. Okay, so for the value show or for the value name show, the value will be yes. This is what does it mean? So I'm saying is that the edit function here, or the edit method here, should create an object of type editor, like what's happening here. Okay, if you put it this way. But what happens is that the function itself, or the object I mean, that's inside this line alone, it will flash. As I said, it will live and die at the same second. So you won't have the chance to reach this method. Okay, it's so fast that I can't reach this method. This is what we call idempotent or idempotency. Okay, this method here is not idempotent. Okay, which means unlike what happens with the strings, which you can go from hello to replace to replace to replace. Okay, you cannot like apply the second replace, okay, on the first replacement. Okay, so you saw like I had like hello dot replace. Okay, let's imagine that everything's fine here. Okay, dot another. Okay, it does not respond. Whatever. Here's an L, here's a Z. Okay, dot another replace. Okay, like E with M. Okay, another replace also just Z with K. Okay, this is just a useless code, but just understand that this one, of course, it will replace this part, will replace L with the Z. Now second time, okay, it will replace the result of this with E and M. Apply the E and M here, replacement. Okay, and you've got this all, and then you can use this. Okay, it's like you're doing this way, this whole thing, like in math, and then apply this like this. Okay, so this works with strings or many other functions. This is what we call idempotency. Okay, now with the second, with this way, there's no idempotency. Okay, the function here is not idempotent, and as I said, it flashes. Okay, and you won't be able to use the result of edit. Okay, by applying the function put or the method put string. Okay, so this is what I wanted to say. I hope you liked this video. Please click the subscribe and join my channel for all my updates, and please also click the ads, very important, and type me some comments if you like to comment anything on this video. And thanks for watching.